Hey guys, watch as I completely screw up today's illustration. Welcome back to Mr. News Art Class. It's wonderful to see your smiling faces today. So this illustration was supposed to look kind of like this photograph. It didn't quite work out. But the biggest problem is a problem I have had a few times with this ink, and that is I'm not used to having wet ink on the page. I am not used to having a long drying time. So first of all, the actual drawing of the rocky area here didn't turn out the way I intended it to or wanted it to. But even more importantly, right here, I've got this blot of ink that just spreads. As soon as I put a little bit of water beside it, it just spreads. It makes a big mess, irreparable damage. I did my best to clean it up, but in the end, just not good enough. So here's how it turned out in the end. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Give the video a thumbs up or down to let me know if you like it or not. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And have a blessed day. And remember, this illustration is not intended to replace legitimate Bible translations. Artistic license has been heavily utilized.